Hi peoples, good morning, afternoon, night. I am trying to get into the expo, the business expo out here in Jamaica. So I had to pull over here to the side because I thought I could just get a ticket at the door, but I had to have it beforehand. So I just got my ticket. Now I'm finna try the whole whoop around and park thingy. Okay, so finna go into the expo, see what's happening, and get some inspiration and all that good stuff. So alright, so we at the National Arena. I don't know if y'all can see it over there. Of course I'll get some clear shots when I go inside, but that's the arena over there. That's the area that I'm trying to get into. So here we go. So that was like, you gotta go to NHT and park. I was like, bump that. Some little people, not little, some persons charging for parking for $500. So I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna park here. I'm not doing all that. So anyways, we're here. First time at the National Arena, y'all, believe it or not. Well, of course that's believable because I don't be doing nothing, but all right, here we is. Let's see what's going on in the Jamaica Business Expo. Oh, it's so nice. Expo Jamaica, y'all. Alright, so first, we're gonna do a look around and see what's available. Ooh, I love that dress. Oh, ma'am. I'll walk around and be able to look at some of the brands and see what's available.
Exactly.
Oh, there it is. Have lunch.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay.
No, the next door. Next door.
It's not gonna be going people want milk product. Oh, y'all remember that video I did? It was about a card game called Guess What? It was a Jamaican brand. There they go right there.
All right. Well, that does not include the delivery would be on it.
Made in Jamaica clothing. Go this lady with my dress on again. I need to ask her where she got it from. Next time. You guys did the other side as well? UCC Smart Fair.
So in terms of the spray text, what you're seeing them doing, spray text is applied
I'm coming
by
back to the station.
a hopper connected to
I
a
need to
compressor with compressed air.
get the shipping stuff.
What they would do, they would occasionally top up the hopper with the product, turn on the compressor and start applying to the surface. So what we're looking at here is
Oh, got a
a
demonstration.
first part application of our spray text trowel-on. With the spray text trowel-on, you do get the benefit and control of also determining the texture based on the setting of the nozzle. If you do want a coarser finish or a finer finish, you do have the ability to adjust the nozzle and you can get the same product to give you different finishes. In terms of the speed of application, as you can see, you can cover surface area pretty quickly and you get fantastic coverage and extra spread rate with this product. So what we're looking at now, he's completed applying it in the coarse texture and we're now moving on to the fine texture. Again, into the medium texture. Again, one product, you adjust the setting on the nozzle and you have full control over the way the product is applied. What I want you to look at as well is in terms of the ease at which it's being applied, there's the you finally set your mind on a product, you go into an outlet to purchase and it's not available. So what we've invested our money in is here in the Jamaican market, making sure that we have our product as available as possible for those who are interested in purchasing. Okay, so we'll be moving on to the trowel-on, which is hand applied with the trowel. For most people, when they think about texture, things and trowel-on, this is what they are used to. You see the good one here taking the product, applying it to the trowel. Yeah, what you do is make sure there's an even spread on the trowel as well. Start from the base and work it through.
Alright people, so this is the walkthrough. So now going to go mix and mingle. Oh, exports. Okay, so far I definitely know I want to check out the logistics stalls. They deal with the exporting and the shipping. Some other things I saw. I'll go back to that. So, more like those the exchange things, the technical stuff, primarily white with the online payment systems and things like that. I'm gonna check out. I don't know. I'll let y'all know when I go make my rounds what I stopped and got information on. So yeah, let's check it out. And then I just got to know how to get it customized. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Oh, let me take information. Yes. Sorry. Yes, okay. And I still haven't found my booth.
And if you buy in the pack is expensive. So the package contains 3 sets of 6 and it's 3,000, so you pay 500. If you buy it out of the package, then it's 7. So
I done made a few rounds. So let's see. They got a lot of nice products. I don't think I'll be buying anything today because I'm broke. But I did want to come check out like the logistical side. So they actually have like a car sharing service out here. I guess like what they call it, Turo, that they're starting. So if you have a car for rent, you can check them out. It's called Veco. Alright, and I think your car has to be like at least 10 years old. So I don't know if I would qualify, but if you got a vehicle you can list to rent out, that might be an option for you. Let me see. So like I said, I got like a lot of logistical stuff about shipping and exporting and equipment servicing and all that type of stuff. So I talked to a few of these folks. So I think they deal with like business shipping and importing. I know FedEx, they said they had like they had it set up for like trade. So if you're like exporting products to sell internationally, I'm pretty sure they have some other options, but so far they are what I'm saying. If you got goods that you're trying to export out, it's another logistics company. No. This is a packaging company. So they do like branding, packaging, and things like that. So I got the information. So like product labeling, all that stuff. This is logistics company again. This is FedEx. They do they have the service for the exporting products and goods that you have, business that you want to sell. They have that set up, and they have these business centers that they're leasing out in different parts. So they showed me 4. So this is the one in Morant Bay. I know they got one in Kingston. They got one, I think they said coming up in Portmore and Portland. So I got the information just in case, like for, I don't know, I want to open a physical location somewhere, but we'll see. And then these are some of the vacant units. As you can see, they are expensive, so I don't know how I could. I asked them if they had smaller units, so I had to check on that, because who knows. All right, so I'm taking a break right now. Like I said, we're at the National Arena. I'm making a little rest stop.
Expo because we have the technical expertise here. That's all the supermarkets.
All right, peepers. That's it for today, I think. So yeah, nice expo. I liked it. Watched all the new things and the innovations, and I actually like how they had like a lot of people who did like the white label servicing. So like if you develop a product or something, you can like, they'll set up the packaging and the brand and all that stuff. You can sell it as your own individual brand thingy. So that was cool. So it was good information. So yeah, it was insightful. It was good to see all the people out here doing business and branding and all of those great things. So I'm heading back to the car. Probably gonna grab a bite. And that's it. So this was the expo. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.